Are you ready to celebrate? Now that's what I call the sounds of your quarantine. 96 packed hours of what it sounds like to be alive today, featuring that Netflix sound, that HBO sound, that Pornhub ditty, incoherent presidential briefings,
Soon at only 5 people.
Wolf Blitzer on repeat, that Pornhub ditty
ditty
again, and 147 tracks of blood-curdling screams. With Robin Williams, Jennifer Love Hewitt, and this entire scene from Cape Fear, plus a gin blossom. And what's inside your butthole? Now that's what I call the sounds of your quarantine. Our last collection ever, because, well, pre-order now.